From the streets of Naija to the heart of the nation. Now here we dey break the gist. News where everybody understand.
Oh my people, wetin happens in Nigeria today? If you hear am, you go shout. Politics done hot, football dey sweet, market dey bite, and entertainment no one calm. Nigeria news today, choke. You dey watch Pidgin Vibez night news recap, where we dey give you gist. For politics side, federal government continue to push economic and security reforms as pressure dey from different parts of the country. Security agencies still dey intensify operations against bandits and insurgents across northern Nigeria. For economy side, banking recapitalization and investment discussions still dey shape Nigeria financial future. Omo, market no be here. Food price is still high. Tomato, rice and pepper still dey cost like gold. Naira still dey struggle, and cost of living still dey affect many Nigerian households. For football side, fans dey look forward to Super Eagles' next matches as preparation for international fixtures wan start. Sports stakeholders still dey push reforms to improve Nigeria performance for global competitions. Arsenal carry Bayer Leverkusen go school. Chelsea collect 3-0 for house from PSG and crash out with 8-2 aggregates. Now serious beating. Manchester City safe no survive. Real Madrid beat them 2-1 for their own ground. For Nollywood, Nigerian movies still dey gain global attention as streaming platforms dey carry our stories go worldwide. Afrobeat still dey dominate as Nigerian artists continue to top charts and sell out shows internationally. For tech side, Nigeria digital economy still dey grow as fintech and AI innovation dey expand. For gospel and fashion, worship concerts dey inspire many while Nigerian designers still dey shine for global stage. My people, if you like correct Nigerian news where everybody understand, abeg follow Pidgin Vibez because here we know dey dull news.